it's your turn to try calculating the area of a triangle, as well as the perimeter of a triangle, which can be done in this case since all side lengths are known. Stop this video, take a moment to write out your answers to these problems in your lecture outline packet, and then turn the video back on to check your answers. This problem involves a yield sign, which is a traffic sign in the shape of an equilateral triangle. We're told that one such sign has a base length of 35 inches and a height of 30 inches. So, to start, we'll draw a picture of an equilateral triangle and label both the side lengths and the height. And given that I might want this to actually look like a yield sign, I'm going to switch it so that it's pointing down. Alright, that looks more accurate now. So I'm going to draw the height, which will go exactly through the middle. And now I'm going to label both the side lengths and that height. So I'm told that that height is 30 inches. And then I'm told that each of the side lengths are 35 inches. So to calculate the area, I'll use my formula, and that formula is that area is 1/2 times the base length times the height. So in this case, area will be 1/2, and the base length is 35 inches, and the height is 30 inches. So calculating that out, pulling up my scientific calculator, I'm going to type in 1/2, so 1 divided by 2, times pulling up my scientific calculator, I'm then going to calculate 1/2 times 35 times 30. So I'll type in 1 divided by 2 times 35 times 30. And I'll enter that in, and I'll get 525. Coming back to my work, I'll enter that 525 in, and I know that those units will be square inches since I had inches by inches. So the area is 525 square inches. I'll summarize that briefly in a sentence. So the area of the yield sign is 525 square inches. Next, I'm going to calculate the perimeter. And the perimeter of a two-dimensional object is the length around it. So since this is an equilateral triangle, that means all side lengths are the same. All side lengths are 35 inches. So my perimeter here, which I'll denote with P, is just going to be 35 inches plus 35 inches plus 35 inches. And plugging that into a calculator, I'll get 105 inches. So the perimeter of the yield sign is then 105 inches.